Ayan na naman tayo. May naisip na namang katarantaduhan. Ride kasama ang kapatid kong bagong recruit sa Padyakan. Hindi pa man umaalis, may photoshoot muna. Kasi 'di ba? Kung di mo na videohan, nangyari ba talaga? Hapon na kami nag-ride. Yung oras na masarap ng humiga, pero kami, ayun, naghahanap ng paahon. Nakita ko pa yung tropa ko sa daan, binidyohan ko pa sana eh, kaso ayun, wala sa frame. So technically, wala rin akong kaibigan? Eto na, paakyat na sa Antipolo, Baaw. Yung akyatan na parang elevator pero walang kuryente. Joined by our pinsan, si Lotoy. So team of 3 na kami, team hirap na hirap pero push pa rin.
Love attack, attack on me. Another love attack, attack on me. You turn your back on me. Got some man a begging please now. A love attack, attack on me. Another love attack, attack on me. You turn your back on me. Got some man a begging please now. You know how to make me miss you dearly every single day and night now. It's gonna take time to get over you. Surely don't seem right, girl.
Dang sana padagos.
Pinahawak ko muna kay Lotoy ang camera para makuhanan kami ng kapatid kong sabay na umaahon.
Tata. Iyo. Darawang seryo na, darawang seryo.
Narinig ko talaga yun. 2 Sergio. 3 kami dito, no? Sa part na to mukhang pagod na si Lotoy. Pero ilang araw lang, nalaman ko nagbike pala siya from Bato, Camsur to Cebu. Kung yun ang definition ng pagod. Anong tawag sa amin ngayon? At ito na, pababa na kami. Yung part ng ride na kunwari chill, pero sa isip-isip mo, paano kung biglang may aso? Paano kung may lubak? Paano kung bumangon na yung kaluluwa ko mula sa ahon? Pero worth it. Ang ganda ng view, ang sarap ng hangin, at syempre walang pedal. Praise the Lord! So ayun, Antipolo Baaw ride success. Kasama ang baguhan, ang pinsan kong pang-epic ride, at ang paa kong ayaw na lumakad.
Attack on me, and then you set me free. Well, no. Ooh, baby, only you know how to drive me crazy. Oh, hello, and when you smile, you brighten up the night. Just like a million starlight. Well, no. And when you pass through, you set the mood. I gave my love no other good. I gave to me your motherhood. Always took care like a mother should. And girl, you got me craving for your love. Oh, why must it be? Love attack, attack on me. Another love attack, attack on me. You turn your back on me. Got a man a begging please now. A love attack, attack on me. Another love attack, attack on me. You turn your back on me. Got a man a begging please now.